Hello guys, this is Danny here at ParTay. So giving you a first look at some of the different designs that we've covered over the past, really I was thinking it had been about 3 or 4 months, but I was looking back at my join and I think I joined July 6th. So it's been a short period of time. I don't guess that sounds wrong for me to say it seems longer, but it really does. It seems longer. Anyway, getting back to business at hand. So I've got 3 panels that are up here. Now, this is the steel. This is the Daystar. Daystar, which is actually the same screen that I have behind it. It's the same tone. The difference is that this has a different surface coating, and this one's all poly. This is the older version with about 25% paint. This is a total poly version. And this is the Contra Bright, which is actually a little darker screen. Well, close to the same shade, not the same color, because this is more of a silver screen. This looks like some of the old Silver Queens. So those are the 3 that I have now. Now I got an embarrassing admission to make, and that's that I was going to finish my black to bring out here because I was revamping our old Mamba formula to the new black that I displayed a few uploads ago, and I lost my color code. So I found it. Really happy about that. I found it, but I wasn't able to get it done in time for tonight. So me being impatient, I figured I'd go ahead and show what I have. So these are different versions of the series. Now the way we're going to offer the series is there's 4 actual colors, 4 tones. So we have the Contra Bright. There's also a Contra White version of that I may release in, I don't know, maybe a month from now or so. I just want to tweak it out. But that one's really more for in-house cinema installs, for very dark rooms, more controlled environments where you want a really bright screen, but some additional contrast, and it does a really good job of bringing a lot of perceived contrast on a white screen. Daystar and the Steel and our Mamba will all be available in 2 different versions. All right, so there'll be an ALF version, which is our ambient light fighting series, and that one carries a highly diffusive element encased in it. So there's, if we do the screen, we generally do it in a 2-step process, but we can actually sell the paint to different organizations. It's not paint, excuse me, let me rephrase that. We can sell the formula to organizations for coating. It's a spray-on formula. It's already got the agent integrated within the formula itself, so it'd be diffusive. And then we have the High G series, which is a higher gain series. It doesn't have, it's got sort of a third of the diffusive agent that our ALF series will have. If you remember, I had an upload a few nights ago where I had a small panel that had the 3 different versions. So the High G would be the first version. It's still more of a matte, but it's somewhere between a matte and a satin. And then we have the ALF version, which is highly, highly diffusive, made for heavy ambient light environments. So now this is with lights on. And this is with the long throw that's on loan for me. It's a 2500 lumen long throw. It's an older, I don't know what exact year, but it doesn't have any HDMI. It's got all VGAs and component connections. On top of that, the bulb, I think, has somewhere around 1800 hours, and it's sitting right now at about 1200 U. So I'm surprised. I hear people say that once it hits its half-life, it starts to go, and I can see that here where the colors aren't quite as vibrant as what I would expect them to be. So probably just need to get another bulb for it. I think I'll do that as a thank you to the person who's loaning it to me. All right. So just wanted to give you an idea as to where we are. I'm going to turn the lights off real quick so you can see performance in the dark. Hold on just a second. Sorry about that, guys. Don't mean to make you nauseated there. I'm so used to walking in front of the screen. Now, all these formulas have a 180-degree viewing angle. Most coatings will. Now, I have seen some that won't. I have seen some that have a very dim, so I'm not used to a shadow. Apologies. But these hold up really, really well. So, thank you for your time watching this, and we're excited about the launch. If you have any questions in the meantime, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help with anything we can. And this is Danny signing out for the night. You guys have a good one.